Right, pleasant good day. So today with Honda Vezel 2015, we have a misfire on cylinder 2. We already swapped the plugs and the ignition coils to see if the mess will switch, but that's not the case. So the setup now, we want to check the compression to rule out any mechanical faults. So we have the pressure transducer hook up to the oscilloscope. So we're going to crank and get the cranking compression waveform for all the cylinders to make sure that the compression is the same.
Good. Good. Right, give me the bar.
Alright, so pleasant good morning. A Honda Vezel RU3 2014, 2015 around there with the GDI. Alright, again a misfire. We had already checked for compression, spark, everything good. So the only thing need to check for now is fuel delivery. So we go in and check to make sure that the fuel delivery good. You check the condition of the injectors. Right, so I was trying to figure out how to depressurize the rail because it wasn't working with the scan tool. I got some advice from a partner who working on them every day. He said to open the gas tank cover and it would depressurize, and I opened the gas tank cover while I was scrapping out everything, and so said so done. No pressure in the rail. Right, disconnect the negative battery pole for safety, take out the intake manifold, and now we gotta take out this foam insulation. Right, but I'm just waiting for some cloth to plug the intake ports. I'd clean the intake ports last time I had service, so they're looking clean still, no carbon. Right, a minimal carbon build-up. So we're going on service the injectors today. Right, so we get all the injectors. Right, injector number 1. See the condition of the tip. Injector number 2, this was the trouble one. See the condition of the tip as well. Injector number 3. And injector number 4. Right, so there's all 4 there. Going on. Put them in the ultrasonic cleaner. First I'll wipe off the tips to minimize the amount of dirt, and then put them in the ultrasonic cleaner. Alright, so we finish the ultrasonic bath on the injectors. We could see the tips, we could see the holes. Right, we're going on, put them back in the reel. And there's the reel here. And then put them back on the vehicle. These 1, 2, 3, 4, those are the locks. Alright, so we're using a little oil and oil up the O-ring. Alright, so we oil up the O-ring properly. And then put in the injector inside the rail. Right, and then we will put on the lock. So that's how the lock go in. Lock have a groove, injector have two flat on each side. Push it in. Right, and we're just doing that for all four. Right, so all four injectors locked in. Right, just put back on the rail. Right, so see them 1, 2, 3, 4. Those are the 4 holes for the injectors. Right, and we line up the injectors on the rail. 1, 2. Right, so all the injectors line up, just to snap it in, tighten up. Right, so the rail line up, push it in. Right, right, and have you tighten up them, put in the bolts first, tighten them up, and then hook back up, tighten back up the rail, mount back up everything.